Good morning, everyone. So, in this series of video lectures, we are seeing different concepts in PHP programming. Okay, in this class, we'll see string functions. Okay, in the previous classes, we have seen that some data types concepts. Okay, string is also one data type which is used to store sequence of characters. Here, string is a sequence of characters which we can store in a single variable. Okay, some for example, some dollar name equals to within the double quote or within the single quote, whatever the name you are giving, that name it can treat as a string. Means all the characters present within the double quote, it will store as a string array. Okay, yeah. Coming to string functions, string function, we have some built-in functions that provide to perform some operations on strings. Okay, some functions we will see here. Here, chr function. Okay, and this what this chr function will do, it will return say one character string containing the character specified by the ASCII value. Okay, means that internally whatever the characters we are passing over the like within this function, first it the chr function takes one ASCII value. Here ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, to change the to transfer the data over the internet or over the like transmission medium, every data is internally treated as a some ASCII value. For example, some A is there, capital A is there. Internally, it reads that A as a one ASCII value. Okay, this is the standard which we are following to read any like keyboard data. Okay, here what this CHR will do, it takes one ASCII value and it will return the specific character. Okay, I will show programmatically how it will work, but just it will take one ASCII value and it will return one character. Okay, like ORD function. Okay, this is the opposite to chr function. What it will return? It will return one ASCII value. Okay, it will take one string as a character and it will return the specific characters ASCII value. Okay, next str to lower means it is a string to lower. Okay, for example, I have a string that contains some capital letters and some small letters. So I don't want the capital letters. I want the total string in a lowercase. In that case, just use this function, string to lower function. It will directly converts that total string into a lowercase letters. Okay, the same way string to upper. Okay, which is used to convert the total string into uppercase. Okay, next string length. Okay, here string length strlen, this function, what this function will do, it will takes one string as input and it will returns length of that string. Okay, length of that string means how many characters that string contains. It will return total length along with the spaces also. Okay, it will consider space also or like one character. Okay, next ltrim. Okay, actually what this ltrim means, it will, for example, you have one string or like the starting position, some you have some space. Okay, or like whatever the space you have, I don't want that, I don't want to read that space, I want to remove that space from my string. Okay, in that case just use ltrim function. It will remove the space from the beginning of a string. Okay, in the same way rtrim is used to remove the space from the end of a string. Okay, simple. Just like ltrim and rtrim, we have one more function, trim function. Okay, this trim function will remove both end, means from the beginning and the end of the string. Okay, what it will do, just it will remove the white space. White space means some space. Is there any space between before that string or after that string, that's that space will be removed from your string. Okay, not in between words. It will just remove starting of the string and end of the string. Okay, next, substring. Yes, substring function, what it will do, it will return some part of a string. Okay, programmatically we'll see how we use these all the functions. Just try to understand what this function will do. Just small like definition here. Okay, then string comparison. Okay, strcmp function, what this function will do, it will compare the two strings. Okay, based on the comparison it will return for example string, two strings are there, string 1 and string 2. If string 1 equals to string 2, it will return 0. Okay, like that it will return the same way. But here it will follow case sensitivity, but I don't want to follow the case sensitive, just go for string case comparison. Okay, for example one word is there, 2 is there, 2 is one string. In the same way, 2 which is present in a capital letters. Okay, both strings are not equal. Okay, in that case, I don't want to follow that case sensitivity. Just go for the string case comparison. Okay, then str n case comparison. Okay, how many? It is also used to compare two strings only, but we here we will mention some n characters. For example, in a word, we have 10 characters. Okay, I don't want to compare total 10 characters. I want to compare only 2 or 3 characters. In that case, you can go for this str n case comparison. Okay, next, str position. Okay, for example, in a I have one string. Okay, I wanted to know one character position. Okay, in 10 characters, what is my character position within the string? Okay, what is this function will do? If I pass that character within this function, it will directly return the first occurrence of your string. Okay, for example, if you observe this occurrence is there. Okay, I wanted to find the r position within this string. Okay, it will return this first occurrence. Here r is first occurred here, right? Again here also it is occurred, but it will return only this first occurrence of your string. Okay, in the same way, str r position. Okay, this will return last occurrence. Okay, similar to str position only. Okay, but here it will return last occurrence of your string. Okay, the same way, str. This function, what this function will do, like find the first occurrence of a string and is a case sensitive. Okay, similar to the previous only, but here it is a case sensitivity. Okay, case sensitivity will follow same str istr. Okay, this is also used to find the first occurrence of a string inside another string and is a case sensitivity. Okay, we will see how we will use these functions programmatically, but try to understand. Okay, str replace. Okay, this function is used to replace one string by another string. Okay, for example, I have one string. Within that string, I don't want one word. I want to replace that word with some other word. Okay, in that case, you can go for this str replace function. Okay, the same way we have str reverse function, string reverse. Okay, one string is there, I want to reverse that string. Okay, it will return a string with the reverse letters. Okay, whatever we are passing the string, that string you can see in the output as a reverse letters. Okay, next, so you know these two functions. Echo function is used to output one or more strings, and the print function is used to some output the string. Okay, these are the functions, some functions we seen about the string manipulation functions. Okay, total functions are performs on a specific string. Okay, see, programmatically one by one we'll see how we are going to use these functions. Just here I am taking one function or program, or like I'm saving this function of program name as str1 in my server location. Okay, simply here I'm taking one function, sorry, one variable, string variable. Okay, within the double quote, whatever you are writing, that will treat as a string. Okay, either it may be or like within a single quote or double quote. You can make it. You can take any one. Okay, here I'm just taking simple. I love like PHP program. Okay, here just I have taken simple string. Okay, simple string I have taken. Okay, just I love PHP program. Okay, I want to find the length of the string. Okay, how you can just use strlen. Okay, string length function. Okay, what this function will do? It will return length of that string. Just pass that string with which string length you want to know. Just pass that string. It will return length of that string. Okay, I want to just show it in a output. Just echo this function. I'm saving this file. Okay, where I'm saving this file is in my server location. That is XAMPP htdocs. There I have one folder EC. Within that EC, I have saved my file as str1.php. Okay, I'm trying to access that by using browser. Okay, in the initial classes, I already said that PHP scripts are executed within the server location. Okay, within the server, PHP scripts are executed. Okay, PHP programs are a server side executable programs. Okay, from here, I'm just entering my server address localhost. There I have created one folder EC. Okay, within that EC, my file name is str1.php. I'm trying to access this file. Okay, now you can see this is the length of your string. Okay, this string length is 22. Okay, it will create even spaces also. Okay, the same way you can use all the functions. Okay, here I'm just for differentiation taking one break. Okay, break is used to go to the next line. Next function we will see. Here we have one function, chr function. What this function will take? It will take one ASCII value. Okay, it takes one ASCII value and it will return a specific character. Okay, here I will take function. chr is a function like. Okay, it will take an ASCII value. Okay, here I'm taking ASCII value is 65. Actually, the 65 it will return capital A. Okay, I will show whether it is returning capital A or not. Okay, now you can see A is A is written A because this function will take ASCII value as input and it will return a specific character whatever you are passing the ASCII value. Okay, in the same way we have ORD function. It is opposite to the previous one. Okay, what it will take? It will take a character as an input and it will return. Okay, it will return a specific ASCII value. Okay, just I will show here instead of passing 65, here I am passing capital A. What you will expect here? You need to expect 65 here. Okay, because A's ASCII value is 65. Okay, just I am refreshing this page. You can see now. I think here I am not saying. Okay, you need to change this. Right? What a function will take ASCII value input and it will sorry, character value input and it will return ASCII value as output. Okay, now you can see 65 here it is written. Okay, in the same way you can execute all the functions. Okay, like string to lower. For example, here we have one string is there, str string. I want to put the total string in a lower case. Okay, in that case, what you will do? Going like str to lower. Okay, just pass that string. Okay, what it will return? it will return the total string in a lower case. Okay, which we will see whether it is written in a see. Now you can see I allow PHP from total strings in a lower case. In the same way, if you want to the total string in a uppercase, okay, just go for str to upper, str to upper will return total string into a uppercase. Same thing I'm just changing lowercase to uppercase. Now you can see I love PHP programming. Okay, in this way, all the string functions you can use in your programming. Okay, like whatever the functions you have seen, just like upper. Okay, it is changing total function into a total string into a uppercase. Okay, in the same way, string length we see. Okay, it will return total number of characters present in a string. Okay, ltrim. Okay, ltrim, what ltrim will do? It will remove space from the, for example, here within my string I have some space before this string. Okay, how I can remove that from my string? Okay, str sorry ltrim. Ltrim function will remove whatever the space we have. That space it will remove. Okay, this time passing str here. Okay, just one trying to echo this message, saving this file. You can see there is no space here. Okay, like that. Thus, you can use all the functions. Okay, ltrim, rtrim. Rtrim is remove space from the end of your string. Okay, trim means it will remove both starting position and end position. Okay, both the space it will remove. Okay, substring. Okay, for example, I want only some part of the string I require. Okay, you can mention here the position of your string. Okay, in the same way, comparison. Okay, I said right, if you have two strings, string one is there, string two is there, if you want to compare two strings, okay, you can go for string comparison, strcmp. Okay, it like it will change. If string one is less than string two, it will return like negative value. If string one greater than string two, it will return positive value. Okay, if both are equal, it will return 0. Okay, it will compare even like case also. Okay, if you want to ignore the case, if you want compare with even case, you can go for str case comparison. Here there is no case sensitivity. Here it will follow case sensitivity. Okay, the same way string n case comparison, just like comparison only, but I don't want to compare total string, I want to compare specific number of characters. Okay, here what it will do, if you observe here, computer is there, computer is there, it will compare only first three characters only. Okay, just string position. Okay, for example, in my string, for example, if you see here computer is there, within the string what is m position? Okay, what it will return? It will return 2. It starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2. The same way string or position. Okay, it will return last occurrence of your string. Okay, the same way str. Okay, it will return first occurrence of a string and it is a case sensitivity. Okay, for example, if I mention computer m here, I mention from first occurrence to remaining characters it will print. In the same way, ISTR you can mention here inside analysis. It's not case. For example, in the previous case, it is a case sensitive, but here it is not a case sensitive. Okay, replace function. For example, I have one string. Department is there. Okay, I want to replace something from the string. Okay, that string you need to mention here. Okay, just department. Okay, I want to change, replace string is like eng. Okay, computer department. Within the string I want to replace department by eng. Okay, here you will get the output as some computer engineering. Like that you will get the output. Okay, just simple. This is the string which is present in your string. I want to replace this word by this word. Okay, that output you will see. Reverse string. For example, a computer department is there. I want to reverse this total string. Okay, now you can see like this. Okay, total string will come as a reverse order. The same way, echo. We know these two statements, echo and print. Both are used to print output something in the output the any string in the output. Okay, print also used to print something on the output, but the small difference between echo and print line, by using echo you can like output multiple strings by mentioning comma. You can echo or you can output multiple strings, but using print you can output only single output. Okay, this is about string functions which are present in like PHP. There are many more are there, but most important functions we have seen. Okay, try to focus on this. Okay, it's very important. From your second unit you can expect this question either in 2 marks or 3 marks or 5 marks also. Okay, try to focus on this. Okay? So that's all from this video. Okay, we will see some interesting topics in the next video. Okay, thank you.